Hi everybody, welcome back. So I have the final reveal for the Tamiya Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Coupe, the 1966 model. And first of all, let me just say that this turned out really well. It went together very well. I did have a couple of issues, which I'll go over, but they were altogether pretty minor compared to other kits I've built. So I'll just bring them up, show you what they were. And here we go. Bring this a little bit closer. See if I can zoom in a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Tilt, pan, there we go. Sorry for the shaky cam, folks. Oops, sorry. All right. Okay. Sorry for all the adjustments, but here we go. Here it is, the final. Like I said before, the kit actually went together very well. There were a couple of times where some of the illustrations for the instructions were not 100% clear, but after spending some time looking at it and looking at actual photos of the cars, I was able to figure out where the pieces should go. Sometimes there was a few that just didn't have like a slot to fit in or anything. They were just kind of there. So there's a couple of pieces like that, especially on the engine. But yeah, overall, kit went together very, very well. The color is the Splash Paints Rosa Corsa, and the interior is tan. And the hardest part of this whole build was putting the driver's side and passenger side mirrors on. That was the worst part of this whole thing. Had a little problem getting the body over the chassis, but I was able to figure that out, so that wasn't a big deal. But yeah, this part of it was, the hardest part was just getting those mirrors on. That was the worst part of this whole build. So if that's the worst of it, not bad. I'm gonna stop this. And if you hear my daughter in the background, I apologize. She's online again playing her Xbox and killing her friends. All right, so let's just see if I can bring this up here without breaking it. So there's a little bit of the interior. I went with a white steering wheel. No seat belts or anything like that. Let's see if I can get the trunk open, show you the engine. Oh, and I do have something I'll have to show you at the end of this. Hold on. Let's get some more light on this. You can actually see. Oops. Damn, the engine's, the trunk coming off. All right, there you go. There's the engine. Obviously, I didn't wire it up. The one part that was a little bit on the difficult side, which I was talking about, was the distributor cap. It's just kind of sitting in there. There was no slot or plug or anything else for that to go into. So yeah, that was just kind of a hit and miss kind of thing. And that just came off. All right. Okay, I'll fix that later. I do want to show you real quickly, license plate. V's Mini. I want to thank the channel The Fallout Shelter for posting a video last week or the week before about how to make your own license plates. And I went and I did it, and I was able to at least get V's Mini onto the license plate because VIX Mini or VIX Minis or anything was too long. So that's kind of what I went with. So I think going forward, all my cars will have this Oregon plate on it. And then I'll fix the hood after I'm done with the video here. So anyway, let's see here. The underside, not much detail down there. Again, the engine worked out really well. I decided not to weather it or anything. I just went with a straight build and just painting. Decided not to weather it up. Again, this was all done with splash paints. And I think the car actually turned out really, really well. I will put up some stills at the end of this. There's another shot of the license plate. And then it is supposed to have an emblem on here that says Karmann Ghia, but it wouldn't. It was a metal transfer and it wouldn't stick. It just, I tried, you know, a little super glue, tried, you know, regular plastic cement for building the models, stuff like that. It just wouldn't stick. So I ended up taking it off and I ended up having to go back over the paint with some sandpaper and stuff like that to get it back down and repaint it a little bit, but it wasn't a big deal. So there's that. Yeah, there we go. I'll get the trunk or the hood for the engine back on it after I get this done. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's having a wonderful week. Later this week, probably maybe Friday-ish, I will post the 400 subscriber giveaway. I have several things I'm going to give away, mostly because I have a wide variety of viewers on my channel. So I'm going to try to cater to those different subsets of viewers that come by and watch my stuff. So stay tuned for that, and I hope everybody is having a wonderful week. I want to thank all the new subscribers I've picked up over the last week or so. Thank you very much. I do appreciate it. And to all my longtime subscribers, thank you. I do appreciate the friendship, all the conversations and everything else that's going on. And everybody out there, you guys are doing fantastic work. Keep it up. Can't say enough about all the work that you guys are doing. So please, like always, if you like the video, hit the little like button. Please share it. Please leave a comment. And I will talk to you all again real soon. Bye.